Hi everyone, this is to walk you through the assignment for Module 7 in English 115. In this module, you can notice there's only one activity, but there's quite a bit of prep work to get you to that activity. It's going to be a test analysis of your performance in the Chapter 1 test you took in Module 6. So what you need to do first, if you have not already done so, is you need to go back into Chapter 1 test back in Module 6 and you need to complete that. Unless that's complete and you have your scoring and feedback, you are unable to do this particular assignment. After you have that test done, or if you already did it and completed it on time, then you want to go and start in our resource section for Module 7. And you're going to look at the resources, test analysis essay. You're going to open that resource. And the first thing is a video. It shows you basically what you need to do and how to do it on the grid worksheet. The grid worksheet is for your use in helping you analyze the different areas of test taking strategies, also reading strategies, what you did well, what you did not do well. That's what that video is about, to help you. You do not need to submit that grid worksheet for me. You will want it though, because when you develop the section 3 in your test analysis, that's where you're addressing patterns. And you might see patterns when you complete this particular grid sheet. The next thing is the instruction video, and this is a video walking you through the requirements of the test analysis, and that's what you're building. You're going to be writing a test analysis for that performance on that test. So you'll watch that video and you can see I talk through each of the sections, what you need in each section, that type of thing. The third one is the actual exam analysis grid worksheet. So if you download this right there, it'll download and you can print it out and then mark it. You do not have to hand mark it. You can download and mark it by computer if you want in the different boxes. It's totally up to you. Then the fourth page is the actual instructions in written form. So remember, back on page 2, I gave you a video on the instructions, and these are those exact same instructions. So it will be best for you to not only watch the video, but maybe have this printed out in front of you so you can follow along about what I'm talking about. But for this test analysis essay, you are going to have 5 different sections, and it'll start with the introduction. These are the things I want you to talk about in the introduction. Then the next paragraph is previewing process. Again, I tell you what you need to include. Same thing for study process and test taking process. And then finally, the conclusion. These are the things I want to see when I'm reading your conclusion. I also include writing requirements. We've been introduced to these. They are back in your resources, so you may want to go back in Moodle and look at them. But essentially, I want MLA document design for this particular document. So again, if you don't remember some of these things, go back into Moodle, go back into resources, and refresh your memory on them. Otherwise, if you need additional help, you can always reach out to the Teaching and Learning Center and make an appointment, and they'll walk you through how to set up your page and what needs to be included for MLA document design. Page 5 is setting page numbers in the header. This is a typical area for MLA that a lot of students have difficulty with, so I just made a separate video to kind of show you that. And then page 6 is a video setting up your paper in MLA. So if you can't go find those resources, you're not quite sure what MLA document design or how to set it up in Office 365 or Microsoft Word, this video will walk you through that. Number 7 is a page regarding thesis. If you remember in your introduction, I'm going to want to see your thesis statement. So this explains what a thesis statement, how to create one, how do you know if your thesis is strong or not. And then page 8 is simply self-editing strategies, things like proofreading, grammar check, all those kinds of things. So these are your resources to use in Module 7. Now, after you compose your document, your test analysis in Word, by the way, you do need to do it in Microsoft Word, not Google, any of those. When you have it done, you come into the forum and then you're going to upload your draft. You're going to upload that document. So this video here tells you how to upload your Word document onto our discussion forum. So watch that video. It's about a minute, minute and a half. And then this one tells you how to upload the peer review form you're going to use to review others' drafts. So you are going to add a discussion, then you're going to do your draft. You can call it something clever like draft. And then you click this advanced button. And the advanced button, when you come down, allows you to add a file. So you just click that button, you choose your file from whatever you want on, sorry. And there it is. It's uploaded, ready to go. And then you simply post to the forum. In the review, you do need the review form. And you can see it right here, that green lettering. When you click on it, it will download. You saw it download. You open that form. I'm going to drag it over so you can see here really quickly. And then you enable editing and you need to answer all of these areas. So read the directions carefully. Because if you reply no to anything, you have to give a suggestion or give specific feedback how they can fix it or include it. But make sure you answer all of the questions on this form and then save it with your answers. And that is the form you will upload in the reply. So you just click into someone, you do reply, and then you upload that form. You're going to use the advanced button just like you did in the other one. But again, I have a video showing how to do your form, how to upload the form, and I have a video showing you how to upload the review form. I think that's it. That's the only assignment, but as I said, you can't really do the discussion forum until you have built your essay. I think that's it. Be sure to send me emails if you have questions, but keep in mind, I don't know. As of right now, I will not be available for office hours this week because I've been called into jury duty. So email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can.